In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a long Word document into separate files by heading. If you've got a massive Word file and you want to break it into smaller, organized documents, this method is fast and reliable, as long as your sections use proper heading styles. Before you start, take a moment to make sure your section titles are formatted with heading 1 or whichever heading level you want to split by. This is important. Simply making text bold or larger doesn't count. Click the title, choose the correct heading style from the Styles gallery, and repeat for each section you plan to split. It's a good idea to skim the whole document to confirm consistency. Now, switch to Outline View. Go to the View tab and choose Outline. This view gives you a structured look at your document based on headings, and it's where Word's master document tools live. Once you're in Outline View, look for the Outline tools at the top. Set the Show level to the heading level you want to split by, Level 1 if you used Heading 1. This collapses the document so you're focusing only on the main sections, making it easier to manage. Next, click a heading you want to turn into its own file. In the same toolbar, select Show Document, then click Create. Word will prepare subdocuments from your headings at the level you're showing. You'll see indicators next to those headings that signal they're now linked as separate subdocuments while still appearing in your master document for reference. When you're ready, click Save. Word will prompt you to save the main file and will automatically generate a separate file for each heading at the chosen level. The file names are typically based on the heading text, and Word saves them in the same folder as your original document. If any headings share the same name, Word may add a number to keep them unique. This process is efficient for large projects like reports, manuals, or chapters. Finally, exit Outline View by returning to the View tab and switching back to Print Layout or your preferred editing view. Open your Files folder and you'll see your new documents, neatly split by section. Each one is an independent Word file you can edit, share, or reorganize without affecting the others. If you ever need to reassemble or manage them together, your original master document still references them. That's it. Clean, quick, and organized, with your long document split into separate files by heading.